Hey, my name is Megha Jaluri, and you're listening to the awesome podcast powered by Citius Tech. This is where technology meets purpose, and today I'm going to meet some awesome technology leaders who are shaping the healthcare industry with passion, grit, and new age technologies like artificial intelligence. We are celebrating 20 years of Citius Tech with some epic behind the scenes stories with these amazing human beings who are making it happen. I have with me Vaishali Nambiar, EVP at Citius Tech, and is also one of the oldest employees at Citius Tech who's working for 19 years. Hi Vaishali, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
You joined the company almost 19 years ago,
That is
one of the
right.
oldest, and have witnessed all the growth that has been happened. But what was your first impression when you walked in? Do you remember that moment? And
Absolutely.
what was the thought? Okay, this place is actually different.
So yes, I have a lot of memories, but I will talk about my first, meeting with the founders when I went to interview with the company. Very small space, not even a proper office, not at all, well done up, nothing. But even back then, our founders were so particular about their whole healthcare domain focus that they had actually made like a coffee table book, and they had put up their vision and their plan, and all their plans for the company, and it was laid down on a nice table when I entered, and they told me to go through it while they came, and that impression was so strong because I really instantly realized that this is a company which is different. This is a company which is really focused on something which is uh, which is important for impacting human lives, and there is a clear vision on how they want to build the company. So it was very, very fascinating and very, very impressive to say the least.
Wow. Yeah, so what's next for Citius Tech? Citius Tech's clients are Fortune 500 healthcare and life sciences organizations, where massive tech transformation is taking place across industries in the US. So, what excites you most about where the company is going to head?
So now, we've reached a stage at Citius Tech where our clients really recognize us as domain leaders. They know that, when they work with Citius Tech, they will definitely get the whole domain flavor, the healthcare domain flavor, and the depth of it. So I think this is the time for us to kind of co create a lot of things with our customers. It is a time for us to leverage partnerships. It's a time for us to build on what we have kind of built brick by brick, and now explode into a world where we can do a lot of disruptive stuff. There's already a lot of disruptive stuff that we've done, but with this whole AI thing coming in, and we've really tried to stay ahead of the curve even in that space. So we want to take the whole AI thing, our domain knowledge, and our customer stickiness to another level,
Let's
with the help
go.
of
Let's go.
partnerships
Let's
as
go.
well.
So, you've unveiled like 2x to mark 20 years of Citius Tech, almost 2 decades. What does it mean, and how will that guide Citius Tech's journey in the next 5-10 years? So, basically, what's your vision? Do you have a vision that where will the company be?
Yes. So the world is changing very quickly. Technology is changing. AI is going to probably change the way people work. Maybe the job industry will change. But the one thing that we want to do, and we want to ride this wave. So our focus is to leverage AI, to leverage all the disruption that's happening, and to take the organization to be the best in class when it comes to healthcare tech services. So that's what we want to do.
Of course. So, I can sense here that Citius Tech is a bit different than other IT organizations. So, if you had to tell me three things particularly that sets Citius Tech apart from others, what would that be?
Right. So the number one thing is the work culture.
Hmm.
We really have a truly collaborative, innovation focused work culture. So that is number one. We really believe in what we do, and then the domain focus. That is definitely the second one. The third one is again innovation disruption, And then I will also add our values,
Of
which is
course.
proud. So we are really proud of our values, and it stands for passion, respect, openness, unity, and depth, which I think really keeps us apart and stands us apart.
Proud. Yeah.
Proud.
So, what's one belief or value that hasn't changed even after 19 years? Like you came very fresh to the company and you learned so many things, but that one thing that has been constant and consistent throughout the years.
Collaborative work culture and the domain focus that has
So
not changed.
collaboration is the key.
Yeah, and then
We are done with our questionnaires, and next up we have is something really fun and exciting for you. So are you excited for that?
yes, I am.
Are you a fun person in general? You look like
I
one.
would like to believe so. I don't know what everybody else thinks.
If you could instantly learn one skill, not just tech related, what would it be and why?
I would love to learn to play the piano.
Wow.
My daughters are learning it, and I love the way they play it, but I've just not gotten there yet.
Oh, damn. So there's an artist inside you.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So if there's an artist, you love this question. If Cities Tech was a movie, what genre would it be and what role would you be playing? And you can also name the movie.
Okay, so I have two movies in mind, but I'll talk about one for sure. So one would be like adventure and action, so Top Gun. And I would probably play Charlie, the instructor in the movie, trying to bring everyone together and get stuff done. And you know what? I've been very famously called Jhansi Ki Rani in the company because I keep fighting for everything, and whenever I have some belief, so maybe Mani Karnika would be another one.
Okay, that was great. So, describe your work from home setup in 3 words. I can't lie.
No lying. It's very simple.
It's very
A
simple.
table and a chair and a laptop.
Yeah, okay.
3 words.
So, I think I know your unofficial job title now, Jhansi Ki Rani.
That is right.
But do you have one more?
Actually, that is the one. Everybody calls me Jhansi Ki Rani, and then earlier, sometimes people call me like Mother Hen because I keep mothering everybody around.
Yeah. That's leadership. Mothership is also a part of
I
leadership.
agree.
Yeah,
Motherhood is leadership.
yeah. So let's say you get a surprise, no meeting day. What will you do?
A surprise no meeting day. I'll catch up on so many things that I have to complete.
Like what?
I complete all my pending emails. I put a lot of the to-do items.
It's
the
a
fun
no
one?
work day.
Oh,
yeah.
no work day. Then
Yeah,
so
no work
much.
day.
I just go driving around. I listen to great music. I will catch up with my daughters. A lot of fun stuff. I have lots of fun. And if I get a chance, I love to swim.
You look like you're full of life. Yeah. So now, next up we have is the Gen Z lingo test.
Okay, that's going to be hard.
You have Gen Z daughters now.
Yes.
Yes. So no. So what do you think it means when someone says the meeting was a whole vibe?
Whole vibe, I think, is a good meeting. I
Yeah.
would like to believe good meeting.
Okay. If someone says a project was mid, is that a compliment or the opposite? What do you think?
The opposite, I think. I mean, not so great. No, medium.
Yeah.
Mid.
Medium. So imagine you just dropped like a brilliant idea. Okay. And someone says, you've got mad risk, ma'am. What just happened? What happened?
I think they were just charmed by my idea.
Yeah.
Some charisma, right?
Yeah, that's true. And I had so much fun talking to you. You're full of life, and also I see a lot of dedication towards your work, and of course that comes with mothership. Yeah.
Totally.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
For,
Lovely talking to you.